Hey everybody, it's Retired at 40. If you're like us this time of year, you're just about sick of eating cucumbers. And a good way to get rid of a lot of cucumbers is to make dill pickles, and they store really well. This is a real simple recipe that'll get you about 3 quart-sized ball jars full of pickles when you're done. So the first things you need is 3 empty ball jars, quart size. You'll need 10 fresh sprigs of dill. You can probably use dry dill in a pinch. And you'll need 10 to 12 cucumbers. If you're using garden cucumbers, probably more like 6 to 8. Alright, so depending on what kind of pickles you want, you can do slices this way, or you can quarter them this way. Really the size doesn't matter. If you're going to do slices, you probably want to do about 1/4 of an inch because it will shrivel up a little bit. So next, just take your empty ball jar, fill it up about halfway with your pickles. And then you're going to want to add 3 to 4 sprigs of your fresh dill. And then you just want to top it off with the rest of the pickles. Don't forget to save your seeds for next year. Alright, now it's time for the pickling juice. In a medium-sized saucepan, we need 1/3 cup of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of coriander and a tablespoon of black peppercorns, 3 cups of water, and then you can also do a tablespoon of red pepper flakes if you want a little bit of spice to it. Alright, we're going to take this up to a boil, and then we're going to go chop up some garlic. Now we need 8 to 10 cloves of fresh garlic, and we're going to smash it and dice it, and we're going to top our 3 jars with the garlic. Okay, now that this pickling concoction is boiling, we're going to remove it from the heat. And then we're going to add 3 cups of white vinegar. And mix that all together. I like to transfer this into something with a pour spout so you can pour them into the jars quite a bit easier. Now we're just going to fill the jars up. Alright, so you have a couple options at this point. You can boil these for 15 to 30 minutes if you want to can them until you hear this ball pop. Or you can just go right into the refrigerator. If you're going to eat them quickly, they should store for quite a while, just being refrigerated. Or if you're like me, you can put them in the freeze dryer and vacuum seal them and just put them on a shelf and they'll last for a really long time. Well, until next time, this is Retired at 40. Remember to live life simple. We'll catch you next time.
Hit it.
If you're using garden